lady who is doing her first Olympics debut, that is Beatrice Chebet, who is the 10,000 meters world record holder, did a double in the Olympics for the very first time in history. And this time round, she says she didn't see it coming, but she was ready for Sasegei and the rest.
We have come a long way, and we thank God we arrived home safe. And thank you for coming. This is my first time coming to arrive to Kenya and meet such people. So I just want to say thank you so much for coming. It's inspired many young generation. And secondly, I just want to say I'm so happy being a double gold medalist and Olympic champion for the first time, being a debutant in Olympic and come home with 2 medals, especially gold. It's not easy. But I just want to thank the government, NOC, Athletics Kenya, family, coach, and everyone who supported me towards preparation for Paris 2024. First, at the end of the year, I just closed my year with the world record 5-kilometer road race in Barcelona. Then it motivates me a lot as I prepare for the World Cross Country in Serbia, of which I was preparing to go and defend my title. And it was not easy, but it's just a matter of believing in yourself, focus, and be perseverance in everything you do, and being disciplined in and hard work. And that support from your coach, family, it's encouraged me a lot. Hali anga haikuwa mbaya, haikuwa mzuri, but at the end of it all, we must participate in championship. Despite raining, despite sunny, despite any challenges we have to run, we have to compete. Yeah.
Faith Kipyegon, the only lady or the woman who has ever lived over the distance